Do you want to move to UK?
Yes, I do. I want to move to UK.
What does UK stand for?
UK stands for United Kingdom.
Why do you want to move to UK?
I want to move to UK for better job opportunities.
What job do you want to do?
I want to work in a software company.
Do you often go to the gym?
Yes, I do. I often go to the gym.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 to 4 times a week.
What type of exercise do you enjoy the most?
I love doing yoga.
Have you ever participated in sports competition?
No, I have not, but I would like to try a 5,000 run someday.
What is your most favorite book?
My favorite book is The Alchemist.
How did you discover that book?
I discovered it through a friend's recommendation.
Do you prefer reading physical books or ebooks?
I prefer physical books. There is something special about holding a book in your hand.
Do you like to travel by train?
Yes, I enjoy traveling by train, especially on scenic routes in the mountains.
What is the longest train journey you have been on?
The longest journey was 14 hours train ride to visit my relatives.
What is gratitude?
Gratitude is the feeling of thankfulness or appreciation for something or someone.
Who can you express gratitude to?
You can express gratitude to your family, friends, teachers, or anyone who has helped you.
What is interaction?
Interaction is when people communicate and do things together.
Why is interaction important?
Interaction is important because it helps us connect with others.
Who do you interact with every day?
I interact with my family, friends, and classmates every day.
Can you give an example of positive interaction you had recently?
Yes, I had a positive interaction with my teacher when she praised my homework.
Do you often go to the restaurant?
Yes, I do. I often go to the restaurant.
Do you have a favorite dish at the restaurant?
Yes, their chicken Alfredo pasta is my absolute favorite.
Do you like trying new restaurant?
I enjoy exploring new places.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a night owl. I stay up late working on my personal projects.
What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I wake up around 7 o'clock on weekdays.
What does overcome mean?
To overcome means to succeed in dealing with a problem or a difficulty.
Have you ever overcome a fear?
Yes, I once overcome my fear of swimming by taking swimming lessons.
When was the last time you watched comedy show?
I watched a comedy show on TV last night. It was hilarious.
Do you have a favorite comedian?
Yes, I enjoy watching stand-up by Dave Chappelle.
What type of museum is your favorite?
I love art museum, especially those with impressionist paintings.
What is favorite childhood memory?
My favorite childhood memory was riding a horse.